Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Apple CarPlay is not proportional. It's not fitting the screen. We're gonna go ahead and solve that problem. First of all, we need to connect it to the car first, Bluetooth, and then okay, first of all we're gonna connect. It is trying to connect. And let's put the password and then pair is success. And then we have the application right there. When you open it, this is the Apple CarPlay, but it's not proportional, you see. We're gonna go ahead and remove the application and then uninstall. Okay, I will go ahead and install this, and then it's gonna solve the problem. Open. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and connect GPU now. And it says you wanna use CarPlay. Yes. Now the problem is solved. Here is the Apple CarPlay. Now it's good. Everything is good. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.